What are we doing today?
I got these to put in there.
New diff. Why is there a new diff?
So that white GS300, our drifting video, Esger, he's got a 3:9 diff ratio in his GS300. It drifted really well. Mine didn't drift really well. We're gonna chalk it up to I didn't have this diff. So this is a SC400 diff 3.92.
Well, you currently have a 424, and the wheel speed for the track in second gear was not right. So you really couldn't spin the tires in second on the entry and that well through the rest of the track. So we're gonna put a little bit longer of a ratio in it.
And we're trying to repeat the formula here. So this other diff I've had, I beat the fuck out of for over a year. And we're gonna try to do it again.
You know the process. Welding diff, burn it out, weld in the spider gears together. Additionally, a plate for strengthening it. But why have we not seen much of your car recently?
Because I've been waiting on lower control arms for more than a month. And I bought this while I'm waiting for my lower control arms.
Yeah, we got tired of waiting, so we got this.
Nice to see this.
Oh, that's my old diff. We were gonna weld this and sell it to some
I should have
idiot
bought
for
2
cheap.
pairs of plates. Fuck!
Yeah, we could have done this one too.
We could have just spent a day doing that shit.
Holding.
Okay, this is how we're gonna do this.
The
It can get like crooked. Make sure it's not like
It's not crooked.
too crooked.
You're not crooked.
Doing the job.
It's fucking up on me. It's giving me spots.
Through the mask?
Yeah, because the mask is.
Dash turned on?
Yeah, it's turned on, but it's because it's like flickering in that, making like the perfect arc. It's going on and on. I put a fat ass plop on there.
Oh shit.
Everybody's running around this little ass bit. Andrew making a TikTok over welding, Andrew filming me with the light.
That one was extra bright. I felt that
Oh,
one.
that's
Oh, I'm good at this shit now. Oh, I'm good at this shit now.
Holy shit. You can see the fluid.
Yeah, the oil falling out.
Proud of this.
Look it down.
I'm proud of that side.
Little discoloration, that's because it's oil. It's fine. It's just baking in.
But I'm gonna get the top and bottom of this left side, and it should pretty much be done.
I mean, if anything, it's treated metal now,
Through the house
Yeah.
and then it
so it's not gonna rust.
Yeah.
Going down.
I can only really get it in that top part now, and then it's pretty much all welded up as I can get it.
Yeah, if you can like try and get it like right up here, like that little itty bitty bit as well.
Let's try.
That's about as good as that's gonna get. And then up in that other corner.
Oh yeah.
And then I think this side's locked.
Dude, I'm so proud of that. That's the best
Like
I've
that's
done.
that covers it.
I'm taking the picture of this when I post it on Marketplace for the other welded dip. I'm taking a picture of it right now.
You want to know the funny thing is?
You did that?
I did that. I did that one time.
I got that all on recording.
Dude, I'm leaving
so
that
sorry,
in.
dude.
So they know Gentry.
You know what time in like
This man gave out a
6th grade.
Snapchat login to have someone send his streaks when he was grounded.
I did.
Here, let him in. What do you guys think? Is that good enough?
Nah, pull it out, read
Let's
it.
check the other side, but that side's,
Carrier's come out. It's fucked.
that side's good now.
No, it looks good.
Damn, this shit is hot.
Wow. So this is now welded and both sides spin at the same time. See, that side to go with that one. So the 3.9 instead of the 4.24. Hopefully get the right wheel speed. This isn't going in just yet. We're gonna wait till the lower control arms come in and we'll do all that together because the car isn't driving right now anyways.
I might as well just drive it right up. Like, it's so stupid.
Yeah. Did they ship yet?
No. I don't know what to do, dude.
But next video on that car, we'll be doing that and the lower control arms and then thrashing it all in one video.